Unlock your potential, mastering the IELTS Speaking Practice Sessions. Hello, language learners. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most vital aspects of your IELTS preparation journey, participating in speaking practice sessions. This will not only boost your confidence but also get you comfortable with the test format. Let's begin. Speaking practice sessions are crucial for several reasons. 1. Familiarity with the format. The IELTS speaking test has a unique format, and the more you practice, the more comfortable you'll be on the actual test day. 2. Feedback and improvement. Getting feedback from peers, tutors, or yourself can highlight areas of improvement. 3. Boosting confidence. Regular practice can help reduce anxiety and improve overall fluency. When you're practicing for the IELTS speaking section, 1. Choose a quiet environment. It's essential to have clear audio and minimal interruptions. A quiet room is ideal. 2. Record yourself. Use a device to record your practice sessions. Listening back will allow you to self-assess your performance. 3. Use authentic IELTS materials. Utilize sample IELTS speaking questions to ensure you're practicing with the real deal. 1. Warm-up. Start with some basic questions about yourself. E.g., tell me about your hometown, or describe your family. 2. Main session. Dive into typical IELTS questions, such as describing an event, discussing an opinion, or comparing and contrasting topics. 3. Cool down. Reflect on the session. Discuss or note down areas you felt confident in and areas that need improvement. After every session, take time to 1. Listen to your recordings. Identify areas where you hesitated, mispronounced words, or gave incomplete answers. 2. Seek peer feedback. If practicing with a partner, discuss each other's performances. A fresh perspective can be enlightening. 3. Act on the feedback. Note down recurrent mistakes and work on them in subsequent sessions. Mastering the IELTS speaking section isn't just about knowing English. It's about practicing effectively and consistently. With each speaking practice session, you're one step closer to achieving your desired IELTS score. Keep practicing, stay positive, and remember that every mistake is a learning opportunity. Good luck, and I hope this video has been enlightening.